It's so crazy, man. You can see how the wind in Cape Town is very, very strong, guys. The lady could not walk because she was wearing a very short dress and the wind could not stop blowing. The more she walked, the more the wind kept on blowing her dress and she couldn't handle the wind. It almost made her naked, guys. Whoa, 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 whoa. The wind in Cape Town, don't joke. This wind ended up blowing this delivery guy on the road and the motorbike fell down. People were being blown out like crazy, guys. As you can see, everyone is looking for somewhere to hold. Everyone is fighting for their life on the road as the wind keeps on blowing and blowing each and every person. Yes, guys, this is how the wind went on and on, blowing off roofs and also destroying houses. Yeah, any weak building with a roof like this one was blown off, and the roof was just left open. Also, you can see how the wind was blowing rubbish on the road and blowing other roofs all the way to the road and blocking everything. And it was so dangerous. It was the worst day in Cape Town. Yeah, so guys, the wind in Cape Town is normally very, very strong. When it decides to blow, it blows like crazy. And this is how it went on and on and on. So this is a compilation of different videos taken from different areas in Cape Town, South Africa. And as you can see, the wind even blew a truck off the road and it fell off the freeway. People were being blown on the way, and it was even very difficult to walk. Like, it was very, very tough. It was the most risky and dangerous weather to be in, also to find you. So guys, as you can see, the wind was very, very strong and it kept on blowing and blowing and blowing. It was so dangerous, guys. This is Cape Town, South Africa, and that is how the wind was blowing people out. It ended up blowing other houses. The roofs were blown out completely and the house left just without a roof, and it was so bad. Like, a lot of people were left homeless, a lot of people were left helpless. They could not do anything, and even to walk on the road was very difficult. Another delivery guy blown out again out of the motorcycle, and everything just blown down. And as you can see, guys, when this woman tried to surf, as she was surfing, she got blown by the wind and she could not manage, and yeah, she had to abort the surfing day of that day.
You know, one thing that's gonna kill us in the time is the wind.
Even on the road, as people tried to cross the road, it was so tough for them to cross the road. You can see guys there, they're holding the pole again. That's how the Cape Town wind is strong, guys. And you can see even this other side of the road, the cars were being blown and losing direction and being blown out of the road. Lots of lives were lost and a lot of property were destroyed. You can see how the roof was destroyed and the house was like vandalized in a way that you can think it was a bulldozer that was demolishing this house. So that is the situation that happened during the Cape Town wind in different parts of South Africa. Yeah, so guys, As you can see, it kept on going and going. And yeah, these are just a lot of different videos that were taken around Cape Town, and it was so tough for people to even walk. You can see this lady, she could not walk because of the wind, and she ended up just trying to shield herself on the wall. And this other one also, they tried to cross the road and they were being blown out. They had to hold each other so that they wouldn't be blown out. It was a tough day, and this was the worst day in Cape Town. It's not that it doesn't happen like most of the time, but when it comes with a very, very strong power. And this is how it blows. It blows, and you can see even this lady decided to sit down because the wind was very strong, and she kept on moving and trying to hold the pole, and also just trying to hold other things. Yeah, and this guy also, the driver of that car, trying to shield himself. Yes, it was a tough day. This was the toughest day to walk around Cape Town, and everything was so tough. All right, guys, so when you visit Cape Town, just know that there are times the wind is normally very strong, and it's not specific when and how it will bring this. But when it starts, this is how it blows people and blows everybody. So this is how strong it is blown. See that other side to blow up the trees, and yes, a very strong wind. So it is Cape Town, South Africa, and it's always good to be careful and also to watch out for the wind. Cape Town always has different types of weather, even in a day, so it's always good to just have like a good knowledge of the weather of the day whenever you are in Cape Town, so that you can be careful and also be able to protect yourself from this kind of weather, and also be able to just find yourself in a safe area so that you can be able to shield yourself from this dangerous wind, and also
not
to
nice
take
in Cape
precautions
Town. The wind too very too strong.
for the weather here in Cape Town.
The ocean wind is taking water very far away. Not knowing what's going on Cape Town.
Cape Town, South Africa. Alright guys, thank you very much, and peace, and just enjoy the watch and enjoy the rest of the video as I show you how it went on this compilation of videos of different types, guys.